So Kevin, you've got the easy job here. You just put a little spot of paint on the ground and bushes magically appear.
They appear.
Not a bad
That's
job.
correct. Yes, that's right.
So how's everything going? It seems like
Fantastic.
you know, trees are going up. You got plants coming in by the hundreds and everything. And
That's right.
Take us through the process a little bit. I mean, you guys did a lot of work in grading everything, make sure the water would move away from the house.
Correct.
And then you brought in a lot of this stuff. What is it?
This is composted pine bark.
Huh.
Composted pine bark, and we till it in along with some manure, Agromax.
I see.
And that fertilizes the ground, gives you some natural, you know,
Right.
stuff into the ground.
What about the trees here? This is what? Obviously a holly tree.
That's a Savannah holly. It's a tree-formed Savannah holly. They were probably dug 3 weeks ago or so.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, and that's why, you know, it's getting close to spring, and a lot of these plants, you know, are deciduous, and you want to dig them in the spring and summer.
Right.
You'll kill them.
I got you.
And so it was a perfect time. We were able to get them before they started flushing, and we were able to dig them, hold them, and then bring them.
Okay, now
to the site.
What about the impact of this planting and everything? Will it lose all of the leaves, or will it stay looking like
It'll
this for a
stay
while?
looking like that. It's an evergreen.
Okay.
It's
and
an evergreen.
And what about the plant over there? If you didn't know better, you would think it was dead as can be, but
It's
what is the tree over there?
It's a deciduous tree, which, you know, it loses its leaves, you know, during the winter, and it's a Chinese pistachio. And so it should be flushed out in the next couple weeks.
Oh, really? Oh, that's perfect, because the magazine guys will be here from Better Homes and Gardens. They've got to get that nice exterior
It'll
shot.
be ready.
So, oh, that's perfect.